Hey guys, what's going on and welcome to my channel. And welcome to a very special series called Are We Alone? So I'm planning to make a total of 5 series on this, and this is about are we alone in the universe or we have extraterrestrial beings. I'm not talking about aliens and UFOs taking people out. No. I'm talking about terrestrial beings like normal animals and something like that. I'm pretty sure there are aliens and UFOs somewhere in the universe. They might even be in the videos I'm talking about in the planets, but we cannot say for sure. So I'm going to be planning on making 2 planets. So instead of talking about hours and hours about all the planets, every series you're going to have 2 planets. And for this series, you're going to be taking in the Kepler space telescope. So whatever it has discovered, 2 good planets are going to be talked about in the series. So it was sent out in 2009 and was observing the constellation of Lyra, and it died out somewhere in 2013. So the finalists are Kepler 22b and Kepler 186f. So my personal favorite is Kepler 186f in all the planets that have life. So I'm going to be talking about it the first. So the Kepler 186 star is a M dwarf, which is red in color and way smaller than our star. So which means that Kepler 186f is the 6th planet, because you could say Kepler 186a is the first one, so A, B, C, D, E, and F is the 6th one. A story about Kepler 186f. Its neighbor Kepler 186e was first discovered by the NASA astronauts and said, not astronauts, but like scientists. And then they were like, yeah, we found a planet which is barely in the habitable zone. And they just wanted to publish it, and then the newspapers and everything were out. And then the guy comes in, the scientist comes in and says, I found another planet, its neighbor, Kepler 186f. And that was perfectly in the Goldilocks zone. So if you guys can see that the Goldilocks zone differs from planet to planet and star to star, because the size of the star is what matters. So we don't know much about Kepler 186f, but we do know that the planets there may be black. Well, the reason the planets may be black is due to the fact that the sunlight over there is red. So sunlight here on Earth is whatever the sun has. It's like a bit yellowish type thing. And the plants here have chlorophyll in them. So the only reason they have chlorophyll is so that they trap the sunlight, and it's green chlorophyll. So there, due to the red light being available, we have black plants with black chlorophyll so that they could trap and make the food better. Well, a few facts that Kepler 186f, here's a slide, is 10% larger than Earth. Sorry, not 10 times, 10% larger than Earth, and takes about 130 days for an orbit. So that's about 1/3 the time Earth takes. So we could live 3 times as longer. I'm pretty sure average lifespans there would be like 250 years or something like that. And yeah, so this planet is really nice. Alright, so moving on, we don't know much about the atmosphere, but we will know when the James Webb Telescope will launch. James Webb Telescope would make a whole other video, but it helps us to know the atmosphere, what kind of gases are there in the atmosphere. So it was supposed to launch in 2015 and then postponed to 2018, and now 2019 June. Geez, 4 years in the lab just sitting there. Hopefully it doesn't rust or something like that. I mean, they will take care of it, the laboratory people, but hopefully the second it gets back up there in space, and hopefully does its job properly and gives us the information we need. Alright, moving on to Kepler 22b. Kepler 22b is a planet which doesn't fascinate me a lot, but let's just get into it. The size of Jupiter, with very thick clouds in the atmosphere. This is a complete water world. Yeah, you heard me right. There is no land here. It's a complete water world. So we already have big beasts living in Earth, like whales. Dude, they freak me out. Imagine what could be living there. I mean, there could be lobsters the size of whales. I don't know. Yeah, but this planet, scientists don't like investing a lot in this because all the intelligent life actually live on land, most of it. I mean, dolphins are the most intelligent here in water. So, yeah, that's about it for this planet and this series, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see the entire series and new videos. Like this video if you guys enjoyed and thought this was informative, and share with your friends and family, guys. And just comment down below, should I make an actual banner for this? I'm working on the thumbnail for this video, and I want to make a banner too. This is going to be the last video coming out for the month because I have exams coming up. And the simple relativity video was supposed to be the last one, but then I changed it for this one because I wanted you guys to know that I'm not going to post until the first week of November. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching and bye.